Collagen is essential for youthful skin, strong joints, and healthy hair. While it's most commonly associated with animal products, plant-based foods can also boost your body's natural collagen production. Here are the top 5 plant-based options. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis and healthy skin. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and broccoli contain chlorophyll, which may enhance collagen production and protect it from breakdown. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds, provide zinc and vitamin E, key nutrients for collagen formation and skin repair. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries pack antioxidants and vitamin C to combat free radicals and support collagen. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are rich in amino acids and copper, crucial for collagen production. To incorporate them, add citrus fruits and berries to smoothies, toss leafy greens into salads, sprinkle nuts on oatmeal, or include beans in soups and curries. Pro tip: pair these foods with a balanced diet for healthy, glowing skin. This is educational information. Consult a healthcare provider for personalized dietary advice.